the Deluxe En-Suite room. There's a really comfy 3/4 size bed, so there's plenty of space. There's a large wardrobe for your clothes and a bookcase to decorate however you like. There's a big desk and chair for studying, and you get a notice board that you can customise with photos. Another great thing about this room is that it comes with its own ensuite bathroom, which has a shower, toilet and sink, which is so convenient because you don't have to leave your room to get ready in the morning.